Hello guys and welcome back to yet another episode on Maxi channel. Here you can find the craziest and best road moments. We cover a wide range of traffic topics and of course, this episode is another banger as well. Before we get into this episode, make sure to leave a like and subscribe on my channel because it helps us grow. Without any further ado, let's get this episode started.
Maybe. Okay, good job. You looked. At least I looked. And I saw you. On red. What the didn't even wait on red. Just went like, nah, it, I'll go. And thanks very much. As if I'm fucking invisible.
Cyclist and the driver got into a heated argument over something in the bus lane. They moved a bit ahead in order to free that lane, and things became heated really quick. Watch.
Okay, that's interesting. Okay. Hey, calm down.
I stop, you know?
Calm down. It does. It does. Look, guy. Look, mate.
No, I stop, brother.
Look, mate. Calm down. Relax. Sit down. Dude. Seriously, just. Mate. Just leave. Yeah, sit.
Apparently, the cyclist hit his car, or at least that's what the angry driver said at one point during the argument. I think he's lost it because of that. Luckily, this biker and another person jumped in and calmed the angry guy down.
Imaginary bus stop, sake, mate. He doesn't even put an indicator on anymore. Hell, man. So if you do that, put at least the indicator on. He didn't even do that.
These bikers noticed a lady that was asleep behind the wheels, and when they tried to wake her up, she got jump scared and drove off.
Exit, Jakey. Yo, you good?
Are you okay?
Are you good?
Are you okay?
Are
you okay?
Are you good?
Are you okay?
Oh my God. Hey, you shouldn't drive off. Holy bro.
This biker ran into an officer at the traffic lights who didn't hesitate to tell him what he did back there was wrong and that he could impound his bike easily for his stunts. Luckily, that didn't happen and the biker was good to go after he got a talking by the officer.
How you doing?
Good, and you?
Hey, these are public roadways, not a stunt course, so you better be careful what you're doing on that thing.
Yes, sir.
Those wheel stands and all that stuff, I can take that bike away from you.
Okay, I got it.
This is public roadways, and watch your speed limit too.
Yes, sir.
You're sticking out like a sore thumb riding that thing. I can hear you from a mile away and everything else, so if you're gonna get in trouble, you shut up.
Okay, gotcha. Thank you, sir.
Biker noticed some trash scattered all over the road, and instead of turning a blind eye to it, he pulled over and started to clear the road for everyone. Much respect to this biker for doing this.
Vamos ajudar aqui a galera.
No, I'm fine. I just recovered. Thank you.
Biker had a close call at the gas station, but he didn't end there. This little fearless fella ran up to the biker and jumped on his bike without even asking for his permission. He was like, "That's my bike now."
Peter. Peter. Peter.
No, you can't do it.
Hi.
Hello there.
Hello.
So what I see? Water. Peter.
No.
Water. Water.
No.
Peter. Okay.
What is he doing? He's just...
It's not your usual sight to see something like this laying in the middle of the road, but oh well. If you get a bike and a camera, you're bound to see all kinds of things and developments on the road. Props to this biker for clearing it. This biker got pulled over by a road officer, or at least he gave off such a vibe. The officer grabbed the biker's hand first and then told him to turn his bike off. The reason he got pulled over changed a couple of times as well, because he saw the biker had a camera and he was legal. After realizing he couldn't do anything, he wrote him a ticket for having his visor up and it went to court. Can you imagine that?
Going? Before too, okay? You have your license and registration?
Yeah. Pull over?
No, just give me your information now. I saw you come down Cropsey, guy told you to make the left-hand turn, you made the right-hand turn, they made the U-turn right between all those cars.
No, I didn't.
And then you shoot it down. I'm telling you, I saw you before. Alright, the reason why you're being
I
stopped
went
now,
down sharp.
the reason why you're being stopped now, you
I
have
got
a
off
stop
the
sign?
Yeah, and I stopped. I
You gotta
stopped
put
for the
your
lady.
visor down,
Oh, I didn't know that.
okay?
I stopped for the lady and I let her pass.
Sorry?
I stopped for the lady and let her pass.
You stopped at the stop sign,
I did. I got it on camera. I let the lady pass.
but your visor's up.
I didn't know you had to always keep it down. I just got off the highway.
Alright, listen, the reason why you're being stopped, your visor's up, okay? Your visor's up, you gotta keep it down.
Alright. I didn't know that.
Equipment violation, I'll be right with you, okay?
This biker got pulled over by a cop because he popped a wheelie. Unfortunately, the biker didn't see the cop on time and things turned out the way they did. He got pulled over and a ticket as well.
I was gonna slow down a little bit. I can hear you from a mile away.
Sorry.
It's never a good thing when you're on your phone and driving at the same time. This driver nearly hit one of the bikers because of it. Note to all drivers: please, put away your phones while driving. Trust me, it's not worth it.
mate. On camera. Dude, I thought he took you out. Yeah. You literally cut him off, mate. Yeah, I'm ahead of you. He's behind me. You go in between both of us.
Yeah, because I was really cautious of you. That's why. I was
Use your mirrors before you kill someone, mate.
I was watching you.
Holy fuck.
Come on, cop. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes! Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yes! Ah! Bike was dying as I was riding, and like, I don't know what the fuck just happened. Okay. And then as soon as I came to a stop, my gas light came on. It never came on in the first place.
You didn't check your gas tank?
I left work and I was riding perfectly fine, and I don't know, man.
1 second.
God damn it.
You know, 191.
I'm gonna hop off real quick. My ass hurts.
191.
I'm out with a disabled motorcycle, 288 northbound, just at 360 exit.
You're the best, bro.
Can you tag William 49607? We have a PSA that might be able to respond. He's out of gas.